Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take it right, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, can you please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I'm a new channel, so everything like that would help. So this is all about a recent vacation that we took, and I'm sure I don't have to tell you, vacationing in a pandemic is tricky, and it's not always safe either. I'm a type 1 diabetic, and so I'm considered high risk for COVID, and I'm scared, if I'm honest. I did not want to go to a hotel or an Airbnb or anything like that. So the Flophouse Hotel, which is what you're seeing right now, in Round Top, Texas, was absolutely perfect for me. It's made out of like recycled shipping containers. So as you can see, your hotel room, quote unquote, is kind of in its own bubble. And you know, it was just great. It is dog friendly. You saw my dog running around. It's only an hour and a half outside of Austin where we live. And so it was a short drive. It was, you know, we didn't have to stop in at gas stations, go to the restroom, things like that. We were just able to get there in one fell swoop. And they even had a swimming pool made out of shipping container. Just for the record, it does turn into a hot tub when it gets cold outside. And so it's year round. It was absolutely beautiful. And I highly, highly recommend going to this place.
We gotta let the music play.
I can't win. I filmed a video for you guys out in the pool telling you what we're doing, where we're at, kind of introducing this video, only to find out, because I don't have the right equipment, I think, the microphone picked up nothing but the wind, so you cannot hear me talking at all. And Jared made a cameo in that one. Then I decided I'll film one inside the house where there is no wind and I can talk to you about what we're doing. Filmed it, it was great, only to realize I didn't actually press record.